Morning, boys and girls. Today we went out in the yard this morning and we picked some stuff up. Can you tell us what you picked up?
A gumball, a stick, and 2 leaves.
Okay, and we're going to use some paint and we're going to see what kind of shapes and objects we can make on this paper. So which one are you going to use first? Which one are you using first? The stick. Let's see what it does. You can use it to write or draw like a paintbrush, or you can try to dip it in the paint and stamp with it. Let's see what the leaves look like. Let's see if we can make a leaf print. You gotta push it down in the paint, and you can get messy because your hands wash off. We're all stuck inside at home. We have plenty of time to wash our hands. Look at that. That kind of made a leaf print. What about the gumball? Let's see what the gumball makes. Roll it around in there. Good. Now let's roll it on the paper and see. It makes little dots. There you go. Try it again. That's cool. So this is painting with nature. So you guys go out in your yard and find you some objects and come back in and paint and see what they make. We'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye.